Developments, a peaceful Rath Yatra procession in Toronto has turned tense when the eggs were thrown at the ISKCON devotees from a nearby building. The video went viral, prompting strong responses from India. The MEA has called the attack regrettable and despicable, asking Canada to act against those responsible. Naveen Patnaik has said that the act has hurt the sentiments of Orias and Hindus worldwide and demanded strong MEA action. The incident has reignited concerns over the safety of the Indian communities abroad, especially amid a spate of such targeted attacks in Canada. Mehndi Garg is joining me with the latest updates. Mehndi, now India has urged for action and also called on this very attack as regrettable against the festive spirit. This is what the statement of the Ministry of the External Affairs also focuses at. If we speak about the documental evidence showing the targeted attack, what more are you able to in fact gather as a video evidence also supports right now in this particular incident that is also going viral on social media?
Well, indeed, Simran, it is a very saddening incident that happened in Toronto, where a peaceful Rath Yatra procession was, taken out by the people of Indian origin living there, when residents of the building, nearby building allegedly hurled eggs at the devotees. So the incident gained attention after the video went viral on social media as well, where some of the people were throwing eggs near the procession. So narrating the incident, also, some of the eyewitnesses have mentioned, Simran, that how some people out of nowhere started throwing eggs over the Rath Yatra, where the people of Indian origin were, just walking in this particular Rath Yatra, and the attack took place during ISKCON's 53rd annual Rath Yatra in Toronto, which was celebrated on July 11th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And according to ISKCON, also, Simran, the Rath Yatra is a public and also a very vibrant celebration where devotees bring the deities Lord Jagannath, Baldev, and Subhadra Devi onto the streets, accompanied by loud kirtans and devotional singing. So while people were doing the kirtans and devotional singing, then out of nowhere, some people started throwing eggs over the procession. And now the Indian government has also formally raised concerns with Canada over this incident and urged that those responsible should be held accountable. And not only this, Simran, but also an official statement have been come out from the Ministry of External Affairs. The spokesperson Ranveer Jaiswal have described the incident as despicable and also regrettable, saying that India is seeing reports regarding the disruption created by mischievous elements during the Rath Yatra procession in Toronto, and this is not the single incident that happened in Canada, but also people from Indian origin are facing a lot of problems in terms of following their religion in Canada. So this is such a despicable act, and it is very regrettable. And India requests the Canadian government to take this, very seriously, and also to take up this matter with Canadian authorities to hold the perpetrators of the act as well. So India has also hoped with the Canadian government, Simran, that they will take necessary action to protect the religious rights of the people living there. And Odisha's Chief Minister and BJP President Naveen Patnaik has also expressed his deep concern over the incident. So people from India and also people living in Canada of the Indian origin are asking the questions that why the people, the Hindus are not safe in Canada, and why such processions are being attacked out of nowhere. So indeed, the video is getting mixed signals, and after it got viral, so Indian government has taken cognizance of this matter and has asked Canadian government to be very stricter, to be more stricter. Yes, Amrin.